Yeah, let's fucking rage!
Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
What is going on, you guys? Back again here with another video. As you guys saw at this, at the little intro to this video, the 65 is finally back. Now I know this car has been MIA for some time now, maybe just as long as I've been MIA myself on this channel. But for some of you who have seen it, and some of you who haven't, and some of you that may be new and have never seen the videos or update videos on this car, this is a 1965 Fastback. We had it in the shop for a while actually, and what we had being done is we got brand new floor pans all the way around. We got the whole underneath frame and chassis re-welded and welded right this time. The guy that originally did it was one of those homie hookup type deals where you kind of got just that type of quality of work, but nonetheless we got it done right now. And now she's pretty much ready to go. I know last we were here, we were doing a video, or we were making a video, and I gave you guys an update on how the whole suspension came off, or I should say how the whole body came off of the frame due to just the tack welds that were placed up here. For those of you who don't know, I'll give a quick little update on our story behind all that. We were working on the brake booster and the hydraulic clutch solenoid that goes right here in this corner. We were sitting there working on that. My brother had just jumped into the driver's side of the car. As soon as he sat down, the whole body of the car came down on the tire. Didn't know what was going on. Fender slammed on the wheel, and came to find out that the welding around here, this is the frame of the car, and then this is the body, and then this is your independent front suspension that we got going on. So the weld actually came off of here. As you can see, we're all re-welded now. Everything looks perfect the way it should be. We had a lot of holes covered up, especially on the firewall. A lot of holes covered up here. So now that it's back from the shop, what we got going on, like I said, brand new floor pan, brand new welding underneath. Everything is done right. We got the transmission finally set in place. That was a video as well of us trying to get that in there. Feel free to look back and check that out. But transmission's in, and that is a Tremec T5. And then we also up front, for those of you who don't know and haven't seen this engine before, or this car before, we have a 351 Windsor stroked out to a 408. This video is kind of just a quick update and just to show you guys that it is back. Now we're ready to work on it. We have all the parts for it to run. We have all the parts that we basically need to get this going. There may be some stuff here and there that we might have missed, looked past, and we still need to get. But for the most part, this bitch is ready and waiting on a lot of parts. So with that being said, we are definitely going to get cracking on this and make it happen. As of right now, I think we're looking into starting off with the headers. Well, I mean, the engine's pretty much done, right?
Yeah, for the most part.
I mean, for the most part, the engine's pretty much together. We got the radiator on, we got the fuel pump. We got everything pretty much going already. Right now, we're going to check out on installing the headers. You can see my brother's getting in there. He has BBK Shorty headers.
Headman's.
Ooh, what is it?
Headman headers.
Oh, Headman headers. There you go. But yeah, guys, this car's definitely gonna start seeing a lot of videos and build videos on this car. We're gonna start putting it all together. Like I said, this is kind of just a video to show you guys the car is actually back. We're gonna see if we have all the bolts. If we can find all the bolts that are required for this install, we're gonna go ahead and hit those headers real quick. Which, I mean, in this car is freaking awesome. For you guys that know, obviously my car and our new S550s and new Mustangs, it's a bitch to get to those headers. But I mean, look at all this fucking space.
I got rid of the shock towers.
That's the beauty of having.
The shock towers were up to here before. I got rid of them. So now we have all this extra space.
There you go. That's the beauty of building it from the ground up. All this fucking room to actually do shit. But yeah, guys, she's back. Let's get it cracking. Let's get this bitch running. Guys, so we got one side done. As you can expect, pretty easy install. All you got is your gasket, your bolts to hold it in place, and that's pretty much it as far as just the header. And then as you see there's the flange that'll connect to the rest of the exhaust. Once we figure that out and get that going, that's a little further down the line though. I think right now we're just trying to put this in place, start getting all the parts we have on this car little by little.
Get it started.
Get it started. Number one fucking goal right now. We just want to hear this bitch run. I'm pretty excited. Brand new block, brand new everything. So we're going to go ahead and get this side done too. Like I said, you guys, real quick install. Nothing too major. Let me see. Header, gasket, right there. And then what, 4 bolts? All these bolts. That's pretty much it. And like I said, with all this fucking space, it becomes a pretty easy job. And you said, like I said, it's a Tremec T5, McLeod clutch, flywheel. Everything's all installed, ready to go. Ford racing flywheel. And now we're just waiting for a custom drive shaft. So now I guess it's just about getting it done and making it work, guys. That's kind of where we're at right now. Like I said, this was just a quick video to show you guys that the 65 is back. Tell you guys what's going on. A while ago I did have an update video done for this, but for whatever reason, and it was an update video when it was at the shop and on the lift, so it was real nice. You were able to see everything underneath. But when I got home, for some reason that footage got corrupt, or I don't know what exactly happened, but she is back. We have a shitload of parts ready to go on her. If not today, for sure in the near future, we're going to start cracking on this car, so you guys are going to see a lot of footage on this car. My car is back there getting washed by my boy Kevin, as always, getting nice and cleaned up. I don't have too much going on for my car quite yet. All I really have right now is still standing by is my McLeod RXC twin disc clutch, which is sitting under my bed ready to go for whenever I may need it. But believe it or not, I am still on the stock clutch, and I've had the Whipple installed at 7,000 miles. I believe I'm at like 23 now, so it's been some time now, and surprisingly that stock clutch is still going strong for me. But if we need it, when we need it, when that goes, we have already the backup. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, quick little update video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and hopefully you guys are looking forward to the 65 Mustang. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know if you're curious to continue seeing the 65 Mustang. I also recently just got a quad. I think it's like a 2003 Yamaha Raptor 660. It's got a helmet, everything to go with it. This is going to be tight. So I plan on definitely riding a lot, and hopefully very, very soon. If you guys want to see some footage on that, or if you guys want to check that bike out, or just run through, or just drive videos with that, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, you guys. Share, subscribe, and like. Peace.